Hello students, this is your Pritha ma'am and today I am going to discuss about narration, which is a very important part of grammar skill. So at first we need to know what is narration. It is actually an art of reporting the words of a speaker, which is called narration. Now let's come to the kinds. Narration has two kinds. One is direct speech or direct narration, and the another is indirect speech or indirect narration. And according to our syllabus, we need to change the direct speech into indirect speech or the vice versa. Now let's come to some sentences. At first, see, here I have written down a sentence. Ram said, comma, and within double inverted comma, I have written down, I am ill. Ram said, I am ill. And there is another sentence. Ram says, comma, in inverted comma, I am ill. See, just look at the first sentence and then look at the second sentence where I have written down, Ram said that he was ill, and here Ram says that he is ill. Let's come again the first sentence. Here you can see after Ram said, I put inverted commas, but in the second sentence after said there is a conjunction which is that, and there is no inverted comma, and the portion which is in the inverted comma, I am ill, changed into he was ill. So the first sentence is called direct sentence because here we can see that the speaker Ram said the sentence I am ill directly, but here the sentence I am ill is narrated by the speaker Ram, that is indirect sentence. So where the speaker directly said something is called direct sentence, and where we can see the speaker indirectly narrated anything, then it will become indirect sentence. And one of the easiest method to identify direct or indirect is inverted comma. When we see the portion is in inverted comma, then the sentence is obviously direct speech, and when the sentence is not in inverted comma, the sentence or the speech definitely is indirect speech. Okay, now let's come to next point. In direct speech we can see comma, which is in indirect speech changed into that, and the inverted comma will be removed in indirect speech. Now let's identify this portion I am ill. It is in inverted comma. This portion is called reported speech. The portion which is in inverted comma is called reported speech. And the verb before the reported speech, the verb which introduces the reported speech is called reporting verb. Which is the reporting verb? Said. So we can say that reported speech is I am ill and reporting verb is said. Now we need to know that if the reporting verb is in past tense, then we need to change the reported speech according to the rule. But if the reporting verb is in present tense, then we don't need to change the reported speech tense. If the reporting verb's tense is in present tense, then we don't need to change the tense form of reported speech. So now you can find that how can we change the direct to indirect. It is very easy to change if you remember certain rules. So after this session I will discuss about how to change assertive direct speech into assertive indirect speech by remembering or by maintaining some rules. So let's see how the rules, how we follow the rules to change the assertive direct sentence to indirect sentence.